Hi guys, I'm Vinny.
I'm Spencer.
Welcome back to Redneck Garage. We got a free Mustang.
Hell yeah.
We got a Mustang. That's a free Mustang.
He's not very lost at all. Okay, it definitely needs a detail. It's desperate.
It's got a nail in it. Oh, no, it doesn't.
They all four hold there. That works. Alright, is it unlocked? It is unlocked. Oh, so it's missing both seats. Has the back seat. It's not horrible.
Oh, it smells. Oh, musty in there.
Alright, boys. It already has the seat ready for it.
Yes, sir. E-brakes off, let's see if it rolls.
Hey, it only has 97,000 miles.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Supposedly. I like that it's missing one of the headlights, or the fog lights.
Yeah.
What is that? Running light.
Turn light.
Turn light? Whatever.
There it goes. You went through all of them, but not yet.
Whatever.
It's already got race-ready hood pins, dude.
Yeah, nails. I like it. Okay. It needs a battery.
Needs a battery, needs a distributor cap.
Yeah, very much so. I think it's missing some stuff, for sure. Yeah, definitely
Yeah,
needs
needs
all the belts. Something doesn't look right here.
It's got Edelbrock valve covers.
It does have the Edelbrock.
He said it was a 302.
302?
Mm-hmm.
Hell yes. Okay.
It's already got that antenna delete kit.
And a mirror delete clip.
And a lizard.
I like it. I like it. It has character. All right, so we are a 1996 Ford Mustang Cobra, right?
In theory, or allegedly, as a 1996. What's the VIN say? Or is there a VIN?
There is a VIN. There's a VIN there.
Because I know there's no title.
We were thinking about that. If there's a VIN, we got to be able to figure this out today. So there's a VIN on the dash. I can see that one. It's hard to read, but there is one there.
Is there one on the door?
I think it's been painted.
Oh. All right, walk around. As you can see, it's already got, you know, race-ready hood pins and some weight reduction with no turn signal cover. This is scraping off, so that's weight reduction. This is cracked, so that's weight reduction. I mean, this whole car is race-ready. I mean, it's just guaranteed to run a 7 the second we put it on this trailer. Easy.
Well, especially with your Dodge hauling it. It's
Hell
at
yeah.
least a 15.
No, I picked this up for $0.00. It's already missing some seats, weight reduction. Honestly, I don't remember if he said 5-speed or 6-speed, but we're gonna go with an 8-speed. You know, missing door handle covers, weight reduction. Yeah, picked this up for free, honestly. This is gonna be a fun project to do.
Is there a dead body in the trunk?
I'll pop it.
I don't know how to, I don't know how to pop the trunk. Pop it. I don't know where the trunk release is. Oh, give me the keys.
Is there keys in
The
it?
keys in the ignition. This was just used as a parts car.
And so they just took what the distributor got?
They just took the, that's what all Hunter knows, is they just took the distributor cap.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you go ahead and try and get the keys out of the ignition on that, bud.
Oh, I'm an idiot. It's got that stupid key lock.
Does it?
Yeah.
Or it goes back in there?
Yeah, no, you gotta push the button. That's the front key. They're trying to unlock the trunk.
Oh, good.
And then
I mean,
my daughter's boyfriend is going to
yeah.
take the clips off
Do I? Do I not?
the mud truck
Yeah.
so that he has the hood.
The hood pins,
We'll
yeah.
figure it out. Let's get this thing
Right
loaded.
with the rim.
Alrighty. So this is obviously going to be man powered on, right?
Yeah, it doesn't
Okay.
work.
It's not gonna run.
So
So I have a tow strap inside.
I was going to ask if you had any way to strap this down.
I have ratchet straps.
Perfect.
At least I think I do, and I hope I do.
I want to hear. It's going to be pretty steep getting up. It's going to hurt. Yesterday was leg day. I regret it. Let's do it though.
You get your knife on you?
Yeah.
That works. Did you go out and buy this for this?
No, I had it for months.
Gotcha.
So what's our best bet on where to hook this? I think this is like a 30-foot rope.
20 foot.
20 foot. Okay.
First off, we should figure out if it's actually going to be able to move at all. Right?
Yeah.
So a quick push and a roll should be able to do that, right? That's
it'll,
the
it'll
point.
go totally awful, but it will make
Ugh.
amazing content.
It's in neutral. Parking
Yeah.
brakes off.
Parking brakes off.
Alrighty. What are you doing standing on the trailer, little man? Come on.
Come on,
He has a camera. He has an excuse. You don't.
moving squad helper.
We need one person on the steering wheel, Vinny. Vinny.
Here you go.
Oh, okay. Little guy. He'll actually move.
Yeah.
No, you got to push 2, boss. You still got to stand up. You just got to make sure you can control the wheel.
Wait. Let it roll back and forth. Forward, back, forward. Perfect.
Oh, okay. All right, leave it right there. Now, the other point is we need to adjust our ramps, don't we? Definitely.
Yes.
So let's go backwards a little bit. Just give her a little. There you go. You're still gonna have to turn this way.
Huh?
He's gonna have to turn a little bit that way.
You want to try the come along first?
I want to figure out, because that right there, that little, what do you call
I
that?
already asked him. It doesn't work.
Doesn't work?
No.
Come along will work just
That's
fine.
why he gave me the come along.
Perfect. Let's grab that. We can use the come along. Sander can ratchet that while we push, and it'll
Yeah.
help it get it up. And that'll be all she wrote, Mom. Or you want me to do it? Okay. Hold this in, then, boss.
What are you doing?
And now we hook red strap into that, red strap onto the car. No, not yet.
I'm
Not
just.
yet. You don't need it.
No?
No, you'll see. I don't know where. Do you know?
It's a very good question.
I thought there was one underneath.
I'm assuming there is.
I thought there was like a built-in hook under the bumper.
Maybe we just ripped the bumper off.
No.
On a lens cap.
Well, that went in the door panel. That literally went dude perfect into the door panel. It's not meant to go drifty. It's meant to go straight.
It's not hard to change these up though. Oh yeah,
Wow, alright.
they're beefy.
This is going great.
How great is it?
I mean, what do you expect? It's a free Mustang.
Hey, nothing wrong with it. I'll take it here.
He's gonna redo it. Look at that! Spencer admitted he was wrong.
I did. Oh yeah, when she snaps, it's gonna kill me.
Lorenzo, is that tire on the ramp? That was scary.
That'll help it a lot. As long as the come along is not doing all of the work, it'll appreciate it.
Hey, whoa. These ramps just broke.
That's what that noise just was?
Yeah.
Well,
Shit.
What else are we gonna do right now?
you push it up the rest of the way.
It's not gonna make it.
Oh, it'll make it.
Bumper's on the ramp.
Dude, the ramp is literally flat on the ground.
Like, the first 4 feet is now on the ground. Snap right here.
Do we have any other ramps, Benny?
They have their aluminum ones.
Where?
at the house, but they figured these would be better.
I think
Yeah, but
2x4
aluminum's
would be
aluminum.
better. True.
The Alpha bent the first rung on the aluminum ones. This car is twice
Way
the weight.
heavier. Okay.
By the way, if anyone wants to buy a 1991 Alfa Romeo Spider, let me know.
So what do you say we do here, Viddy? I mean, we can continue up.
We can continue as much as we want, but it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
I don't even.
Do you think you can do that, guys?
Huh?
You have to push the car up the ramp enough for me to unhook it. And there's a lot of tension on this, so you're gonna have to push really hard. Yep, that worked. A little more.
2, 3. Is that good?
Almost. Shit, it's right there. Oh my God, it's right on the fucking edge.
It ain't gonna work. 1, 2, 3.
It's out. Let's get this up some first. Like that. Now put the cylinder underneath it.
It's as easy as getting a free Mustang that doesn't run a new trailer. Which isn't easy, as we can all see.
Do you think this thing will ever
God, this is so sketchy.
run a garage?
Exactly. It's so sketchy and so funny at the same time. What else are we doing on a Monday night?
Happy Labor Day, guys.
Yeah, happy Labor Day.
I'm gonna roll down the windows, make sure you yell if anything's going wrong.
Shit, there's no way for me to, hang on. Because once he pulls it, I have to close the door. It's gonna smack that. I won't be able to get out of this thing.
Yeah, once you get past it, you can open the door.
Okay.
Yeah, he needs to turn that way.
Say it again.
Good? Ready?
Good?
Stop.
I can't get out.
We got you, hold on.
I'm stuck in a Mustang.
We got you, boss.
Yell stop or we need to stop.
I can't see.
Well, neither can we.
Oh, that's hysterical. So yeah, you're stuck in there, boss.
Fuck.
Shit, there's no way for me to, hang on. Because once he pulls it, I have to close the door. It's gonna smack that. I won't be able to get out of this thing. Yeah, once you get past it, you can open the door. Okay.
Oh God, there's a fucking frog in here.
That sucks for you, boss. Just open it. Can you open that front? Can you open the?
Well, I think I'm looking at the trunk right now, but there's a spare tire in it.
Okay, now if you look at the top, like you're gonna have to go like lean. There's gonna be a trunk release. Just look for it. Do you see a release?
I'm trying. There's a shit ton of stuff in the trunk.
Well, all right, we'll smash the window out.
No, come on. Can you seriously get out?
No, I seriously, like, I can't find it.
Yeah, that's gonna suck, video. We'll strap you down,
Yeah, funny.
or I'll drive your choice.
I'm not staying in here for an hour. I'm not doing that.
Can you get the windows down at all?
No. Dude, there's a spare tire and there's like 5 pieces of window glass.
I mean, we either break a window or there's got to be a way to open that trunk.
There probably is, but the trunk's full of shit.
Boy, I gotta film this. What am I doing?
This is fucking annoying,
Dude, I'm pouring sweat right now.
Oh, it's still rolling.
Oh, that's perfect.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm
So do I
pouring sweat right now. It is so hot in
Do I
here.
just get my tools and break this open?
I hit the door open.
Do I just break the glass?
I really don't want to make a mess, but I don't know what else our options are.
What if you like roll it back, but
Well, the strap's almost broken.
I mean, the strap's almost broken.
Because
caught.
Oh,
yeah,
are you serious?
yeah.
Fucking brand new strap.
We'd have to bring you halfway back on the ramps to get the door open.
And then you'd have to push. You would have to help us push you halfway back up
I'm
the ramp.
fine with that. I just want to get out of here. I'm dripping sweat, dude.
Do you guys want to try it? Let's see how far back he's actually gonna have to go.
Just yell at me when I need to push the brakes.
How far are we gonna have to go? Should we
Halfway
measure
down the
this?
ramp.
Should we measure this?
Halfway down the ramp.
All right. Off the brake.
Yep.
Open your door. How far can you open it? All right. Can you get out with that?
But my thing is, once I get out and get off this brake, the car's
We're gonna have
rolling.
to push for you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, go ahead and get off the brakes.
Yeah, but Sander, my thing
Let
is,
go of the
once
brake
I get
right
off
now.
the brake, the car is going to
Let
roll.
go of the brake right now.
Okay.
All right, ready? When you can get out, say so. Come on, brake. There you go. Go ahead and get out and help us push.
Shut the door, push the roof.
Let's go. Come on, push.
And we'll just drop it off the trailer.
I don't have to. Oh my God.
Yeah, they're gone.
Christ.
I mean, we can use this whole setup
Well,
down there.
My thing is, I don't know where my riser straps are.
You better go find them.
We called this.
You better find them, dude.
Yeah.
I have a very cheesy one in my truck that ain't gonna work,
Dude, this is squatting so much.
I think.
Got the Carolina squat going. Hey, whose water and stuff is this?
Thanks.
Make me feel at least like a monster. Make me feel at least like a fire. It seems I can't find a place to go. There's a world of things I'll never know. 'Cause everywhere I go, there's nowhere I belong. And anyone should tell me where will I find? 'Cause everywhere I go, I'm always on my own. Can anyone just catch me before I drown? Can anybody make me feel like I'm not the stranger tonight? I finally know why I can't look further. I finally know why the tongues speak louder. There is a secret that won't be mine. They'll never talk until the end of time. Make me feel at least like a monster. Make me feel at least like a fire. It seems I can't find a place to go. There's a world of things I'll never know. 'Cause everywhere I go, there's nowhere I belong. And anyone should tell me where will I find? 'Cause everywhere I go, I'm always on my own. Can anyone just catch me before I drown? Can anybody make me feel like I'm not the stranger tonight? Hey, hey, why should I run away? Hey, hey, I always felt this way. Hey, I can't run away. Hey, hey, I'm not a stranger tonight.
So we got 2 ramps, wooden ramps, and 2 pallets. We're just gonna push this thing off.
That's it.
Perfect. Cakewalk.
Exactly.
It's like we're professionals. Yeah.
Well, it's you. Now we just gotta put everything back.
Go.
I'm Vinny. This is Spencer.
Alright, we gotta redo that now.